This is a very beautiful logarithm equation. I'm very sure that so many people will agree with the solution. One of them is the answer. Now, given that log₈ base 8 equals to r divided by 2 and log₂n base 2 equals to ace, when ace minus r equals to 4, find the value of n. Let's do it together. But before we do that, let's take one law that log a base b equals to c can be written as b raised to the power c equals to a. It's a law of logarithm. We're going to apply this here. So log₈ base 8 equals to r divided by 2. That means it will be 8 raised to the power this equals to n. That will be 8 raised to r divided by 2, and that will be equal to n. The same thing here. Log₂n base 2 equals to ace. You still write it as 2 raised to the power ace equals to 2n. So we take it from here. From here, 2 raised to the power ace equals to 2n. We want to make n to stand alone. So if you divide by 2, we'll have 2ace divided by 2 raised to the power 1 equals to this, as taking care of this, equals to n. Now we have 2ace divided by 2 raised to the power 1. The law of indices says you can subtract the power, so ace minus 1. Ace minus 1 there. You can write ace minus 1 or 2 raised to the power minus 1 plus ace, whichever one you're correct. So 2 raised to the power ace minus 1 equals to n. N here. N. But if n here equals to this and the same n equals to this, that means this is equal to this. That means if a equals to c and a equals to b, it means that if a equals to c and the same a equals to b, it means that c equals to b. Very simple. That means this 8 raised to r divided by 2 is equals to this ace minus 1. But ace minus r equals to 4. That means ace equals to, by adding r to both sides, 4 plus r. So we replace s here. Now 8 raised to the power r divided by 2 equals to 2 raised to the power, in place of s we put 4 plus r, then minus 1. The reason I kept this as minus 1 plus a so that I can just bring it directly. Some person may not agree with this, but it's correct. Whether I use this or this is correct. You can do something here. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. R divided by 2 equals to 2 raised to the power 4 minus 1 is 3, and 3 plus r. So this can multiply, because 10 times b is 10 raised to the power ab. So they will multiply out. We have 2 raised to the power 3r divided by 2 equals to 2 raised to the power 3 plus r. Having the same base, we compare the powers. 3r divided by 2 equals to 3 plus r. We cross and multiply, or you multiply 3 by 2, same thing, to have 3r. And here this is 6 plus 2r equals to 3r. R here, 6 plus 3r minus 2r is r. That means from here r equals to what? Equals to 6, because 3r minus 2r 3r minus 2r equals to r. So 6 equals to r, and r equals to 6. That means our r equals to 6. But don't forget that we were told that n equals to 8 raised to the power r divided by 2. So we can create the space here and write something. Our 8 raised to the power r which is 6 divided by 2. So 8 raised to the power 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 cubed is 512. Check closely, and 512 is correct. So if you are watching from YouTube, subscribe to this channel, share the video to your friends. If on Facebook, share the video and follow us for more. Bye bye.